For 250 years, America has been built by people who don't make the headlines. People who show up in the heat, under pressure, in the rooms most people never see, but everybody depends on. Woven through all 250 years of this country is steam. Steam moved goods down rivers, pulled trains across the continent, powered the mills and the factories that built the middle class. But the real story was never the steam. It was the people behind it. The ones who built the systems, watched the gauges, and made the repairs at 2 in the morning. The ones who kept things safe and kept America moving. Now that was true then, and it's still true today. Right now, steam is running in hospitals, keeping patients warm, in food plants, keeping production moving. They're actually in schools, in factories, in facilities most people drive right past. And somebody's in that boiler room making sure it runs. Now here at WARE, we get to see that side of America every single day. People learning this type of a craft, respecting the pressure, taking pride in the work that keeps other people working. Now that's not a small thing. That's the whole thing. America's 250th is a celebration of where we've been, but it's also a reminder of what keeps us moving forward. It's the skill, it's the grit, the willingness to show up and to do the work. Some things don't just get replaced, they actually get respected, like steam and the trades that keep everything running. Here's to the people who built this country. And here's to the ones keeping it running. And remember, nobody handles the pressure like you do. Happy 250th, America.